This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Renata and Luis Menendez. Enjoy the privacy of a single-family home without the hassles of maintenance while in one of the most sought-after communities in Fort Myers. Heritage Palms Golf and Country Club is one of the premier golf communities in Lee County. This Pineview attached villa is offered turnkey. This Cheshire floor plan model is picture perfect and it comes with 2 bedrooms, plus a bonus area or den, 2 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. The newly remodeled custom kitchen offers great space for those who enjoy cooking. New wood cabinets with soft closing, upgraded stainless steel appliances and granite countertops with backsplash. Tile and vinyl floors throughout. Guest bathroom has been completely remodeled. Master bath has dual sinks with a separate tub and shower. This model has a spacious screened and front porch and an oversized screened lanai in the back for you to enjoy the Southwest Florida weather. Rollup security shutter on the lanai for your protection. New tile roof in 2020 and the exterior was painted in November 2024. Heritage Palms offers so many amenities: 2 18-hole golf courses, 8 tennis courts, 9 pools, 2 spas, 3 restaurants, a fitness center, bocce/pickleball courts, fishing pier, basketball, and playground. There is lots of excitement for the new construction of the Tiki Bar and Oasis restaurant scheduled to open in spring 2025. This is a very active and affordable community offering activities for everyone. The location is fantastic, close to shopping, dining, the airport, hospitals and the beaches. This move-in ready home combines a lifestyle of luxury and convenience. Call today for your appointment and make this unit your permanent or seasonal retreat. For more information, review the details below or contact Renata and Luis Menendez at 239-443-3204.